The $10 Apple Airpod Max replica was so pricey and tempting, I couldn't just but get this to check it out. To put it in perspective, one original Apple Airpod Max will buy 55 pieces of this gadget, and they look so much alike. The question is, does it even sound at all? Well, if you're as curious as me, then come, let's go check it out. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and it's that insatiable curiosity of tech that is making me to check this guy out. I mean, how can you have a $10 replica of something that is 550? Well, let's check whether it will actually connect to Bluetooth. I got to test everything on this one. We'll power it on, and then we'll go into the device and look and see whether we can actually pair it. So go into, pairing a new device, and there it goes, the P9. So the name is P9. There are different variations of this, different names, but they probably look alike and do the same thing. And good, it connected. So good, yeah. So let's check the hinges. That thing is actually made of plastic. There's no way they are making this thing with anything more than the plastic. Okay, so going into listening to music, the sound is kind of mediocre. It's kind of mediocre, a little bit of bass. The treble is not so clean, and but you can actually enjoy music with it. It's not, if you're not an audiophile, like me, if you're an average, watching movie type of person listening to podcasts and basic music, I mean, it does well. And that covering that passive noise cancellation on the ears is just so good. So we're going to look at some of the features here. Let's start from the volume button. The volume button, I have a problem with volume button because you have to press and hold down for the volume button to work. You have to press, hold down for it to work. And that could be bad because it could go too high and be bad for your ears. Single press will go to next, and up or down, next or previous, but that's supposed to actually be long press. So I really don't know why they turned it upside down. I have to get another Bluetooth earphone to check this thing, and I discovered that it was the way this guy was built. So, but apart from that, it does work. The long press for volume works, and there are other features there. You can connect it to normal cable to become earphone without any Bluetooth. You can charge it, and then there's a space for also memory card. So that's all about the feature. Then there's a microphone here. The microphone, I'm going to give you a sample of the recording from the microphone. This is connecting it here. If you want to connect it directly as an earphone without Bluetooth, once you plug that in, it disconnects the Bluetooth automatically, and you can hear line in. So also the quality of the material is soft, but it has like nylon, so it could give some sweat. So here is a call from it, me trying to prank my wife with a number she doesn't know I have.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you?
My voice is very low here.
I'm fine. How am I speaking my place?
You don't remember me again?
Sorry?
You don't remember me again?
So the volume is too low, except you put your hand by the left to,
Please, I'm straining my ears to hear you. Please, can you speak up so I can hear you?
Yeah, so that's that.
See, you don't remember me again?
I don't remember you again.
So that's about that. There are two things that this $10 replica of the AirPod Max can do, like the OG Apple's AirPod Max. Number one, it can match it for the battery life. This thing could play music all through the day. I mean, I played all through the day, got tired, and it continued playing the following morning till midday before I was able to charge it again. And then secondly, the passive noise cancellation, it really covers your ear, and because it has this kind of nylon cover, it's really good in cancelling out noise outside. So I'm not going to advise you wear this replica to walk in the walkway or where people are, because they will practically not hear you at all. So those are about the two good things about this replica AirPod, as the sound quality is nothing to write home about. Well, it's mediocre, but it's usable. I mean, you can listen to podcast or watch some things. It's audible enough. It has a little bit of bass, but the treble is a little bit muffy. It's not clean. So that's just about that. Anybody who is not an audiophile or who is not so much interested in high quality music, but wants something that you can use to listen to, music or song or podcast or lesson for a long time. That's just all the need I see for it. And make sure you click on that subscribe button to see more interesting content like this. Until I see you in the next one, it's peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.